everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I am going to deal with the previous year question from social policy, planning and social development. First one, 2012 UGC NET examination questions. The government of India adopted the national policy for children in the year. Options A 1975, B 1974, C 1963 and D 1985. Right answer option B 1974. Second question, assertion. There is a gap between social policy statement and the development program. Reason. The reason is lack of political will and commitment in the formulation and implementation of programs. Right answer, both assertion and reasons are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Next one, list the macro level practices of social work. Right answer, social policy and social planning is considered as the macro level practice of social work. Moving on to the next question, what percentage of seats in educational institutions are reserved for scheduled castes in India? So the right answer is option C, 15%. Next one, welfare programs based on social policy in India are not provided in one of the sectors mentioned below. Options A, health, B, education, C, employment and D, entertainment. So the right answer is option D, entertainment. Next one, institutional redistributive model of social policy is associated with options. Option A, capitalist state, B, communist state, C, totalitarian state and D, welfare state. Right answer option D, welfare state. So if you are very first time to my YouTube channel, please watch my previous video. I explained about models of social policy as well as models of development. So please watch for understanding more about institutional redistributive model. And sorry for the sound disturbance, it's very heavy raining here. Next one, match the following national institutes given in list 1 with their place of functioning given in list 2. First one, National Institute of Orthopedically Handicapped. It is located in Kolkata. Second one, National Institute of Visually Handicapped. It is in Dehradun. Third one, National Institute of Nutrition, Hyderabad. And last one, National Institute of Hearing Handicapped, Mumbai. So the right answer from the option is B. So moving on to 2013 question paper. Which one of the following is not an objective of social policy in India? Options A, equality, B, social justice, C, inclusive growth and D, population growth. So the right answer is option D, population growth. Next one, which of the following are the salient features of Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Schemes? Options, rights based framework, second, labor intensive work, 3, decentralized planning, 4, women empowerment. Right answer, all are correct, which means the salient features of Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Schemes are right based framework, labor intensive work, decentralized planning and women empowerment. Which among the following is the department created under the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment from May 2012? Options, Department of Higher Education, B, Department of Disability Affairs, C, Department of Health Research and option D, Department of Rural Development. Right answer option B, Department of Disability Affairs. Next one, in second 5-year plan, the primary emphasis shift to options A, rural development, B, industrial development, C, agricultural development and D, urban development. Right answer is option B, industrial development. Option B, industrial development. Which of the following is considered as major risk of aging in developing country? Right answer option C, poverty. Next question. The National Rural Employment Guarantee Act came into force in the year options A 1999, B 2001, C 2005 and D 2009. Right answer option C 2005. Option C 2005. The model of social policy called residual welfare has been advanced by, right answer option B, Richard Titmuss. Next one of the following is not an aim of social policy. Options A, balancing trade policies, B, elimination of poverty, C, maximization of welfare, D, pursuit of equality. Right answer option A, balancing trade policies. Next one, in which year the national policy for women empowerment was announced? Options option A 1981, B 1991, C 2001, D 2011. Right answer option C 2001. National policy for women empowerment was announced in 2001. Next one, the first World Assembly on Aging was held in options A, Austria, B, Vietnam, C, Australia and D, Zambia. So the right answer is option A, Austria. So at the first World Assembly on Aging held in Vienna, capital of Austria, in 1982, and countries adopted the International Plan of Action, which has guided thinking and action on aging over the past 20 years, and the plan recommended a variety of initiatives in employment and income security, health, housing, education and social welfare. Next one, the salient features of national policy for person with disabilities are, all the options given below are the salient features of national policy for person with disability. So, physical rehabilitation, educational and vocational rehabilitation and economic rehabilitation are the salient features of national policy for person with disability. Next one, in which part of the Indian Constitution social policy is outlined? Right answer option D, part 4. Option D, part 4. Next one, the national policy on child labor was declared in the year. Options option A 1986, 1992, C 1995 and D 1987. Right answer option D 1987. Option D 1987. Next one, social development is, so the right answer is an integrated view of development. Reproductive and child health program in India was launched in the year. Right answer option A 1997. Okay, so the reproductive and child health programs was launched throughout the country on 15th October 1997, and this program aimed at achieving a status in which women will be able to regulate the fertility and women will be able to go through their pregnancy and childbirth safely, and the outcome of pregnancy will be successful and will lead to survival and well-being of mother and the child. Next one, assertion. Social policy is necessarily concerned with the promotion of social development. Reason, social policy is the planned intervention to improve existing social system. Right answer option A. Both assertion and reason are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Next one, Match the list 1 with list 2 and choose the correct answer from the code given below. First one, Modified Area Development Agency. From the list 2, the right answer, matching answer is Tribal Development. Then Step Up, it is for urban development. And third one, Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana, that is for rural connectivity. And Indira Awas Yojana, it is for rural housing. So from the code, right answer is option A. So the Modified Area Development Agency, it is a special central assistance is provided by the Ministry of Tribal Affairs to the state government as an additive to the state tribal subplan, where the state plan provisions are normally forthcoming to bring about rapid economic development for tribals. And the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana was launched by the Government of India to provide connectivity to unconnected habitations as a part of a poverty reduction strategy. And third one, Indira Awas Yojana, with a viewpoint to meet the housing needs of the rural poor. Next one, sustainable development ensures the well-being of individuals by options. Option A, social development. B, environmental conservation. C, environmental protection. D, all the above. So the right answer is all the above. So sustainable development ensures the well-being of individuals by social development, environmental conservation and environmental protection, which I discussed in my previous video. Next one, which among the following are the prime focus of sustainable development goal? Right answer, option 4, people, planet, prosperity, peace and partnership. Next one, National Program of Nutritional Support to Primary Education was launched in, right answer, option number 4, 1995 is the right answer. One, match the list 1 with list 2. First one, Ayush. So Ayush main focus is for health. Second one, NACO, National AIDS Control Organization. So from the name itself you can understand main focus on AIDS. Next one, Niti Aayog, so which we discussed previously, in my previous video, it is for planning. And last one, Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana, PMKVY, it is for skill. So the right answer from the code is option 1. Next one, Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana was launched in commemoration of the birth anniversary of, right answer, option 2, Sri Jayaprakash Narayanan. National policy for person with disability was adopted in India in the year, right answer, option 2, 2006. So the national policy for person with disability was adopted in India in 2006. So the main aim or the policy mainly deals with physical, educational and economic rehabilitation of persons with disabilities. Next one, National Mental Health Policy was adopted in the year, right answer, 2014. Okay, so the Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan on 10th October 2014 launched the National Health Policy of India, and it was the first ever mental health policy of India, which was launched on the occasion of first ever National Mental Health Day organized by the Union government. And the vision of the National Mental Health Policy is to promote mental health, prevent mental illness, enable recovery from mental illness, promote destigmatization and desegregation, and ensure socio-economic inclusion of persons affected by mental illness by providing accessible, affordable and quality health and social care to all persons through their lifespan within a right-based framework. Cultural difference are emphasized in which year's Human Development Report? Right answer, option 3, Human Development Report 2004. Next one, match list 1 with list 2. So in list 1 schemes and in list 2 focus. First one, NSFDC, National Scheduled Caste Finance and Development Corporation. Focus is for economic improvement of SC. Next one, Mahila Shakti Kendra scheme, PMMSK. It is for, from the name itself you can understand, for empowerment of women. Third one, Saubhagya scheme. It is for electricity. Its main focus on for the electricity. Scope of the scheme is actually for providing last mile connectivity and electricity connection to all unelectrified household in rural areas. Last one, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. It is for rural housing. So from the options, right answer is 2. Next question, which of the following is not an objective of the National Population Policy 2000? So the right answer is option 4, to achieve population decline by 2013. The last question, the distinguishing trait of social policy is its right answer option 2, concerns with distributional or redistributive character. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any doubt, please comment below this video, or else you can mail to my mail ID. I will give my mail ID in my description box. And if you like the content, please subscribe, like and share. And if you're very first time to my video, please watch my previous video. I will give the video's link in my description box. Thank you.